Hi dear Nokia mobsters, a little bit different unboxing video today, and the good guys from StreamView, the Austrian company that is bringing Nokia to the European market, sent us a Nokia TV. Yeah, smart TV. So it's a smart TV, 43 inch, 108 centimeters in diagonal. It's a 4K TV, so it will fit nicely and work nicely with the Nokia Android TV, but that's not necessary because this TV is already an Android TV. It supports Hey Google Assistant. It also has services like Prime Video, Disney, Netflix, YouTube, Google Play. It's HDR10. Let's check the connectivity there. So it has 4 HDMI connectors. It has USB-A, probably digital audio video in, YPBPR in, headphones, Ethernet. It includes in the box a smart TV stand, Bluetooth remote control, and double AAA batteries. Okay, so let's see what else is there on the other side. So here, okay, so it also supports DVB, T2, C and S2 signals. It has Bluetooth 4.2 probably, wireless Wi-Fi, Dolby Vision and DTS HD. Great. On the back side, all the same. So let's unbox this. We have a quick smart TV installation guide there. I'll be actually looking into this. It also explains how to mount it on a wall. Okay. There it is, let's see. Oh, this explains the remote of Nokia's Dreambox, because it's being used also, the same one goes for TV. This is some warranty papers there. The TV is intended to be sold only in the European Union or the EU countries. It's A+ energy level. It got this rubber stand for the, probably for the mount. We have some bolts there. And batteries. Cool. It's 4 AAA batteries. Thanks, Nokia. Let's see what else is there. Other stand. This goes into TV probably like this. And the bottom part goes there. Polystyrene to protect the TV. This is the bottom part of the stand. Okay. It goes something like this. This holds the TV. We'll see that later. Okay. Unfold mobile phone and unbox it. This is really special. If you don't want to buy Nokia 8.3, you can always buy Nokia TV. You are waiting for... don't break it, don't break it. There it is. Speakers are below. Let's put it like this. So, there it is. The stand mounts there. Really thin profile. Nokia logo there. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. It's really thin. There at the edges. Not so much bezel. And I will now turn it the other side to check the connections. Okay, I turned it around. So let's see here. Stream View, licensee of Nokia brand for TVs, Nokia registered trademark, smart TV. Oh, this one is assembled in Turkey, HDMI, DTS HD. So we have a LAN cable. Good for offices. We have 3 USB ports there, classical antenna there, VGA port, optical audio. We have left, right, and video there. We have some more ports on this side. So it's a double USB, a PCI card, another USB. And that's it. Thanks for watching.